Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, like this, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and also while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much to get the most accurate results. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. In this menu you find the heart rate icon. This is the one with the heart on it. Tap on it and you should see this menu. Now, if you have your watch on your wrist, the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the heart rate. As you can see, this number might jump around because, like I said, it measures the heart rate in real time. As you can see, it jumped to 70. And once it stabilizes, basically that should be your heart rate. Here you have also the table. You can check your heart rate progression through the whole day, as you can see. And also you have the highest heart rate and the lowest heart rate right here. And here we have the resting heart rate also, as you can see. You can also scroll down and see the heart rate zones: light, intensive, aerobic, anaerobic, and extreme. I believe this is during the workouts. And here you have also the resting heart rate for 30 days. If you scroll even more now. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, press the home button to go back, like this. You can also check your heart rate statistics on your phone, so you can bring up the phone, open the XIAOMI Wear app on the phone that is paired with your watch, like that, XIAOMI Wear app, and you should see the status page right here. You can scroll down, tap on the heart rate, and here you have the statistics of your heart rate measurements. You can check today, day, week, month. You can also change the tracker if you have different devices, as you can see, or rather you can change the statistics from the tracker. So before I had the Mi Watch band, or rather Mi Smart Band connected, so I can check the statistics from this device and from this device, like this, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.